Welcome to the HTVRONT A100 Auto Multi-Heat Press tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through everything from setup to pressing using the 12 by 10 inch heat plate. Inside the box, you will find HTVRONT A100 Auto Multi-Heat Press, 12 by 10 inch heat plate, 20-ounce tumbler heat plate, large head heat plate base with head stretcher, 12 by 10 inch heat press mat, quick start guide, heat-resistant gloves. You will also need to prepare the following materials: a t-shirt, your design, and a PTFE sheet. Part 1. Mold selection and setup. Before we get started, make sure you are wearing heat-resistant gloves to avoid burns and any potential injuries. Let's start with selecting the mold. Plug in the power first, but don't connect the heat plate connector yet. For the first startup, the machine defaults to t-shirt mode. However, if you'd like to use other heating plates, simply press and hold the mode button to enter mode selection. Briefly press the mode button to choose your desired mode: t-shirt mode, tumbler mode, hat mode, and custom mode. Then briefly press the start button to confirm. Next, let's install the heating plate. Hold the 12 by 10 inch heat plate with both hands and align it with the slot. Place your thumbs against the upper part of the machine for added support. Then push upward until the heat plate is securely locked in place. Next, place the heat press mat onto the ironing board. Hook the 4 elastic stripes onto the hooks on both sides to keep the mat securely in place. Finally, connect the heat plate connector, align it with the arrow as shown, and insert it firmly until fully secured. Part 2. Settings and preheating. Now press the power button and set your temperature, time, and pressure according to our quick reference chart. Since we are pressing a BTF design, we'll set the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the time to 15 seconds, and the pressure to 150 pounds. You will then notice the start button is red. That means it's heating up. And please note that once the machine starts heating up, please wear heat-resistant gloves and avoid touching the heat plate or ironing board with bare hands. While it heats, go ahead and prepare your materials. Pull out the ironing board, place your garments and design, and cover it with a PTFE sheet. Part 3. Automatic heat pressing. When you hear a beep and the start button turns green, it's ready. Push the ironing board back in until you hear a beep. Then press start. The machine will lower automatically and begin pressing. When the countdown finishes, the machine lifts up with a beep. Just pull out the ironing board and remove your finished piece. Part 4. Thick and large materials. For thicker materials, use customer mode. Plug in the power cord to supply power to the machine. Ensure the machine is in standby mode and the heat plate connector is disconnected. Press and hold the mode button to enter the mode selection. The current mode icon flashes on the display screen. Press the mode button and choose custom mode. Briefly press the start button once to confirm selection. After installing the 12 by 10 inch heat plate per previous instructions, press and hold the plus and minus buttons to freely adjust the machine height. Once the desired height is reached, briefly press the start button again to confirm and complete the height setting. This mode allows height adjustment up to 5.12 inches, 13 centimeters. Press the power button again, then repeat the steps mentioned earlier to set the temperature, time, and pressure, and start the heat pressing process. For larger designs, the 12 by 10 inch heat plate can be used independently. Detach the heat plate while keeping the heat plate connector connected. The 2.62 feet, 80 centimeters cable allows flexible movement for pressing larger items. That's how to use the 12 by 10 inch heat plate. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.